always debated, but anywhere from 5 to 25, 30% of medicines in the country, depending on which agency publishes the report, they put in the NSQ category, which is not of standard quality. Now that's scary high. Even to me, 5% is scary high, which is at the base level.
On the pharmacy side of the business, are you a rollover or an aggregator of local pharmacies, or when I order from 1mg app, it gets directly delivered from here?
So now it's pretty much we are inventory model. It's our own warehouses. We buy directly from over 400 pharma companies, and there's a reason we started as a marketplace, and started as a hyper local marketplace. But then as demand grows, it's very hard for a small retailer to cater to the kind of scale and service that we needed to give. And what we were solving was the convenience problem at that point. But as we grew, we figured, okay, now let's work with the larger distributors, because working capital required to run a business of a scale that we are going to operate, unfortunately, where we have to move up and up. Then once that basic access problem was taken care of, we really wanted to solve the quality problem and authenticity problem. And that problem is very, very close to my heart. I'm very worried that the areas that we need to, we may not be paying enough attention as an ecosystem to. Just a few things. Reports, again, always debated, but anywhere from 5 to 25, 30% of medicines in the country, depending on which agency publishes the report, they put in the NSQ category, which is not of standard quality. Now that's scary high. Even to me, 5% is scary high, which is at the base level. Now, what happens is this ecosystem, unfortunately, we don't have end-to-end barcoding. We cannot, as a user, you cannot authenticate a medicine that this is genuine.
Okay.
So you have to go with trust. Now, the only way we could assure that, at least to our customers, that you are getting a genuine medicine is if you are buying directly from pharma. Because what happens in the supply chain is you have a lot of these markets in many cities, in Delhi also, Bhagirath and around. What happens is medicines from various sources come and mix together.
Oh.
So they're like, and it's never somebody's it may not, it doesn't have to be fake. It's just that it's not quality. There's an entire unfortunate ecosystem people talk about where people with acetone clean the expiry and stamp it again and put it back in the market. 45,000 warehouses in the country. Room temperature is also supposed to be 25 to 30 degrees. I don't think more than 500 warehouses are air conditioned in this country. Now, summers are 45, 50 degrees. I don't know how long medicines have been stored. Even it's not that a retailer would knowingly buy from a source that is giving people may not even know that the quality is, or there may be an issue. For me, the only way to solve that for my customers at least was I'll buy direct. So now, to your long answer to your short question, we buy everything direct and we sell everything direct to them.